Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XDC on Coinbase. First, it's important to know that Coinbase does not directly support XDC. You'll need to use a different exchange that lists XDC, such as KuCoin or Gate.io, to make your initial purchase. Begin by creating and verifying an account on your chosen exchange. This usually involves providing personal information and completing KYC procedures, which can take a few minutes to a few days. Once your account is verified, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or transfer existing cryptocurrency, such as USD or Ethereum, from another wallet. Navigate to the trading section and search for XDC. You'll typically find trading pairs like XDC/USD. Place your order to buy XDC. You can choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your desired price. Since Coinbase doesn't directly support XDC, you cannot transfer XDC directly to a Coinbase wallet. Instead, you'll need to send your newly acquired XDC to an external wallet that supports the XDC network, like MetaMask or Descent Wallet. Always double-check the wallet address and network to avoid losing your funds. This step is crucial for securely holding your XDC outside of the initial exchange. After transferring your XDC to a compatible wallet, you now securely hold your assets. Consider exploring options like staking your XDC to earn passive income, if available through your chosen wallet or a decentralized application. Always prioritize the security of your private keys. For more financial insights and other great deals, make sure to check the description below this video. It's packed with valuable resources to help you on your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.